This is makahiya. Yan, you will touch it, touch. Yeah, here, like this, touch. Yeah. Yay.
The world feels colder without you here. Every step I take, I feel the fear. I try to breathe, but it's so hard.
Good day everyone! I hope you're doing well nowadays. Today I will give you a quick tour around. This is not our farm, this is just the scenery around the neighborhood where we live. The good thing is that we can enjoy the mountain view, the scenic view of the rice fields, feel the breeze of the wind, listen to the birds chirping, and so forth. This is situated in one of the barangays here in Dipalog City. As I've mentioned in my previous videos, Dipalog is a component city and capital of the province of Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines. Geographically, the city is surrounded by rolling hills to the southeast and the Sulu Sea to the north. Dipalog is known for its wild orchids and its sardine industry, which stems from the rich fishing area of its shores. It is known as the gateway to Western Mindanao through the Western Nautical Highway and has also been called the bottled sardines capital of the Philippines. Yeah. No need to go far. Yeah, we will just enjoy the beautiful scenery around. Even we're just here standing. Yeah. Aray, wait. Yeah. It's a big bird. I don't know what is the name of that bird. Yeah. Here in our neighborhood, there are lots of birds flying around. Yeah. Mm. And Yasin loves to stay here. Yeah, he wants to go walking around. Yeah. Oo. Aray, hinihila talaga yung damit ko. Gusto niya talagang pumunta doon. Wait.
Huh?
Yeah.
Look, hello.
Mm.
There.
Yeah.
Hello there.
Nag-enjoy siya eh. Ayan siya oh. Masaya siya. Gusto niya talagang bumaba. Kaya lang pag nakababa na, baka hindi na yan siya uuwi. Ano yun? Malaking bird.
Yeah.
See? It's very relaxing. You will see more birds flying. And you will feel the fresh air. Let's go over there. No, not there. In the other side. Yeah. There, oh. There, we will go there. That side.
No.
Why no? There, oh. It's very nice there. There. That side, oh. Tara, let's go walking over there.
No.
Why no? Come.
No.
Ayaw niya talaga. Gusto niya talagang bumaba doon sa palayan. He wants to go in the rice fields. Ito yung mahirap kay Yasin. Kapag kadadalhin mo siya sa labas at meron siyang nagugustuhan na puntahan, talagang pupuntahan niya. At saka hindi siya natatakot mahulog sa bangin. Ayan oh, parang ano kasi yan eh. Ano bang tawag doon? Slopey portion. Yung parang bangin na maliit. Ayan oh. Gusto niya talagang pumunta doon. This is my way of relaxing. If I want to unwind, if I want to do a muni-muni, yeah, I will just go out here with Yasin because he loves walking around. Yeah, and I feel relaxed. What hay? Wow, yeah, touch more. There. It will close its leaves because it is Makahiya plants, yeah. It is shy plant. Shy plant. Yeah. So ayan.
Mama?
Yes.
Papa?
Yeah. Look what happened. Look here, Yasin. Oh, Sin. Look. There's more here. Oh.
Mama? What is that?
Yeah, that is kuya. Yeah. Look here. Oh, touch. Kinagat ako ng langgam. Yeah, langgam is ant. Yeah, the ants. There are ants over here. Di bait ni. Yan yung bata na ano, likot. Aray. Ayan yung flower na makahiya. If you will touch, yeah, ayan oh. Yeah. Yasin, come here. More makahiya. Makahiya plants, yeah. It's a kind of grass. Yeah, and when you touch it, it will close its leaves. Yeah. So, wait. Lala, may dadaan oh. Hi. Look po. Mama. Oh. Hey. Yeah. May dalang bigas. May dumadaan din dito. Walking around. Yeah. Nakalimutan ni Yasin. Gusto niya bumaba doon sa palayan. Ngayon nakalimutan niya na ano ko yung isip niya na tawag doon. Ano bang term nun? Na-divert ko yung isip niya, yung plano niya na bumaba doon sa ano, sa rice fields. So, eto na kami. Bumalik na. Oh. Ayan na siya. Oops. Ayan na siya. Uwi na yan siya kasi napagod na yan. So that's all. I hope that you've enjoyed watching my video. Just walking around, yeah. This is one of my daily life routine. My daily life routines includes walking around in the morning with Yasin. Ayun na, nauna na siya. Nauna na siya doon. So ayan oh, ang daming birds, 'di ba? Nakakatuwa. Very relaxing kapag gusto mo talagang magpalamig ng isip, magpalamig ng utak, labas ka lang, labas ka lang. Labas ka lang sa bahay mo and you will feel relaxed. Yeah, paulit-ulit no? But really, this is one of my ways on how to keep my mind in the right track. Tawa pa more. Yeah, but really, this is really, really, really relaxing for me. Yeah, just walking around. It's windy and fresh air actually because it is in the province. Yeah, see, you will see. Yeah, the leaves are swaying with the wind. And there are lots of birds. So this is the province life here in the Philippines, Mindanao, Philippines.
My heart beats with every thought of